English version, class 5, chapter 7, number 7. The weight of 6 guavas is 58, 50, 60, 52, and 54 and 56 gram respectively. Then A, what will be the average weight of the guavas, and B, what the average weight of first 3 guava, and C, what the difference between first 3 and second 3 guavas average. Then guava average weight 58 plus 50 plus 60 plus 52 plus 54 plus 56 gram equal to 330 grams. Then average 330 divided by 6 equal to 55 gram. Then B, in B, they want to know what will the average of first 3 guava. Then we added the first 3 guavas equal to 58, 50 and 60 equal to 168 gram. Then average 168 divided by 3 equal to 56 gram. Number C, what will be difference between first 3 and last 3 guava average weight? Then first 3 guavas average we already got it, and last 3 guavas average 52, 54 and 56 equal to 62 grams. Average 162 divided by 3 divided by 54 gram. Then difference between these two, 56 minus 54 equal to 2 grams. Thank you.